Hi friends, Anmol Samsuhang here, and today what you are seeing on the screen is a cute little moss bear, also known as moss piglets, but best universally known as tardigrades. So they are 8-legged microscopic creatures dwelling in moss and lichens. So they were first described or discovered by a German zoologist named John Ephraim Guzai in the 17th century, and it was named by Spallanzani in the 17th century itself. So these creatures are known to survive extreme conditions like high pressure, high or cold pressure, high or cold temperature, extreme pressure, dehydration, radiation, and other kinds of super entities which can't be tolerated by other kinds of organisms. So these tardigrades are usually found in moss and lichens, as I already told you in the beginning, and hence they are found in moss. They are named as moss bears and moss piglets, and they quite resemble a mixture of pig and a bear. As you all can see, they cling to hard materials like you see in the video. Sorry, the whole screen is vibrating. Okay, thank you friends, this much for today. This is my short video, and see you in my next video.